Welcome to the next lesson in this module, where you'll learn how to manage your projects within Android Studio. Android Studio allows you to not only create your own projects, but also to import projects others have written. Therefore, we'll show you how to create a brand new project using the New Project Wizard. This will allow you to create projects that you can practice and experiment on. Then, we'll show you how to import an existing project into Android Studio. This will allow you to import the examples and assignments that we will give you in the future. After completing this lesson, you'll understand how to create a new app project and how to import an existing app project into the Android Studio Integrated Development Environment. When you have finished installing Android Studio, you will have the following screen available to you. This screen allows you to both start new projects and to import existing projects. I will now show you how to create your own project with the built-in wizard provided by Android Studio. To start, we click the top button here, aptly labeled Start a New Android Studio Project. This will start the new project wizard. This wizard will guide you through creating a new project. The first step is to enter the name of the application you want to work on. By default, it is My Application. I will go ahead and alter that slightly right now. Then, it will ask you for your company domain name. This company domain does not have to be a real domain name. So we are going to go ahead and recommend you leave that as example.com for now. The project location is where on your file system your new project will be created. Adjust this as you see fit to easily track your files. I personally have a folder named Code in my user directory where I put my projects. But this is up to you. Click Next. This new screen will assist you in determining what kind of devices you wish your app to be able to run on. For now, always pick phone and tablet, and API level 21. We have chosen this API level so as to be able to teach you new features that aren't available in previous API versions. Click Next. This next window will help you in creating the default user interface for your app. For simplicity's sake, I will choose Empty Activity and recommend you do the same for now if you create any new projects on your own. And click Next. The next window will allow you to change the names of some of the auto-generated files that this wizard is about to create for you. I recommend leaving them as is for now and clicking Finish. Android Studio will go ahead and go through the process of creating your new project for you. Once Android Studio's new project wizard has finished, you will see the following window. The tip of the day will only show up until you click the Show Tips on Startup button here. I recommend you leave this on for now and go through the tips and learn more about the Android Studio Integrated Development Environment. For now, we will go ahead and click Close. And here you have your new project. After you have extracted your project from a zip file, you will want to go back to the Android Studio welcome screen. There, you will want to click on the button labeled Import Project, Eclipse, ADT, Gradle, etc. Then a new window will pop up asking you to select the project you want to import. It is asking for the location on your file system where the project exists. There are helper buttons for your home folder and your desktop, so I will make use of the desktop button, which is the second button up here at the top. Normally I would have put this project into my code directory, but for simplicity of this example, I am just making use of the desktop. Once you have found the location of your newly extracted project, it may or may not have a green circular icon instead of the image of a folder. This is because I have already previously imported this project preparing for this video, so my Android Studio knows that this folder is a Gradle project. You will want to select the folder of your project and click OK. Android Studio will use its automatic import wizards to auto-configure things for you and import the project. This may take some time or it may go quick, depending on the complexity of the project you are importing and the speed of your machine. When it is done, you will be able to view and edit the imported project just the same as if you had created the project yourself. Now that you've completed this lesson, you should understand how to both create new projects and how to import existing projects within Android Studio.